A mortgage actually is a word that's used on the East Coast and originated there. And simply it means it's a document that the borrower signs that says he's pledging his house to the lender in exchange for a loan. Simple as that. Well, I think in any industry where you're going to buy a large ticket item, you want somebody on your side who's helping you in that transaction. And a mortgage broker is simply somebody that helps you, is on your team. He's your guy that you depend on to give you the facts and help you get the best deal, kind of guide you through the process. So I'm in between the buyers and the lender, and I'm on the buyer side to help them to get the best deal they can with the lender. That's what a mortgage broker really is about. Unfortunately, escrow has a couple different definitions, which is probably what confuses people. Escrow is just a company in California who's licensed to handle the neutral third party. They receive the money and they receive the deed to the property. So you have a little problem in that the seller doesn't want to hand over the signed deed to the buyer without his money. The buyer doesn't want to give his money to the seller without the deed. So what do? Well, they hire a thing called an escrow company that sits in the middle, receives the deed, receives the loan, and gets everything recorded, and then the buyer has his home and the seller has his money. So simple as that. Once you've bought a house, maybe you got a rate several years ago that was 6%, let's say, and let's say your payment is $2,000 a month, 6%. Refinancing is simply lowering your rate and your payment to a better rate and payment for that same amount of money that you borrowed. Another way you can use refinance would be, let's say as the family grows, you want to do a room addition or you want to remodel a house. Refinancing also would be getting a different loan, a bigger loan, which pays off the existing loan and gets you some cash in your pocket to do those kind of things you want to do, get through college, buy a car, remodel a house, debt consolidation, that sort of thing.